Hi, I'm Joey Tayaban, and I'm the outgoing president of PEA, Parents Employers Association of LaSalle Green Hills Alternative Education. What is ALT-ED? ALT-ED includes ALS, Alternative Learning System, TVET, Technical Vocational Education and Training, and Adult Night High School, grades 11 and 12. Our students come from marginalized sectors of society, these young people who would not otherwise be able to afford formal education. And through the generosity of the LaSalle Green Hills, they are given the opportunity to study for free. Who's PEA? PEA consists of the students' parents or guardians, employers, and sponsors. Together, we work closely with the AltEd team to support our students in various ways like funding school activities, such as Family Day, graduation ball. We provide them snacks, give financial aid, and even organize activities for the parents themselves. What do our students need most? Number one is transportation allowance. You see, even if the tuition is free, we still have a number of students who drop out because they can't afford daily fare. Some come from as far as Rizal or the South, making transportation a heavy financial burden. Number two, meals. There's no canteen available at night, and since many of our students are working students, they often come straight from work without dinner. Some don't get to eat until after 10 p.m. when they arrive home. So how can you be a sponsor? Well, we have three types of sponsorships that you or your organization can consider: partner builder, empowerment sponsor, and academic supporter. As a partner builder, you can support the student's basic educational needs. We have 5 tiers for partner builder. A, full scholarship grant. 15,000 pesos per student per school year. This includes everything in the Partner Builder package plus 1,000 peso contribution to PEA Merienda program. B, transportation allowance. 12,000 pesos per student per school year. C, enrollment fees and medical exam. 1,000 pesos per student per school year. D, enrollment fees only. 500 pesos per student per school year. E, 2 school uniforms, 500 pesos per student per school year. As an empowerment sponsor, you're providing nourishment through PEA Merienda. Last year, we were able to regularly provide snacks once a week, but our goal is to increase this to 3 times a week or even daily. Our budget here is about 8,000 pesos to 10,000 pesos per distribution, and this can already feed 350 to 400 students. There are 2 ways to be an empowerment sponsor. One is cash donation. You may send 8,000 to 10,000 pesos and we'll handle the purchase and distribution for you. This covers an estimated 25 to 30 pesos per meal plus delivery fees. Or number 2, you can send snacks directly by buying the snacks yourself and have them delivered to the school. This is perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or other milestones. Just coordinate with us for scheduling so everything arrives fresh and on time. And you're also welcome to distribute the snacks personally. As an academic supporter, you can donate any amount, either in cash or in kind. This could be raffle prizes for events like our Family Day, Christmas parties, or graduation ball. Or maybe you'd like to donate school supplies, gadgets, or even gowns and suits that our students can wear during formal events. You can also help by offering employment or internship opportunities, especially since many of our students are already part of the workforce. Basically, anything that can enrich their student life, whether it's for learning, encouragement, or celebration, that's really deeply appreciated. One more simple way to support, you can invite a PEA to set up a booth at your event so we can sell merchandise to raise funds and raise awareness for our cause. Who can be a sponsor? Individuals, organizations, or companies. Last year, our biggest sponsor was Gorgeous Glow Philippines, owned by Ms. Rose Casaje, who sponsored 50 students. Currently, we have 6 private sponsors supporting a total of 62 students. For the coming school year, 2025-2026, we're excited to welcome 4 more sponsors, including a friend of Mr. Mike Nazareno and the batch of Ms. Luis Garcia, and we're really hoping to have some more. Again, for as little as 500 pesos a year, you can already sponsor a fellow LaSallian in AltEd. That small amount could mean the difference between a student continuing school or having to stop. It could mean a ride to class, a warm meal, or a chance to graduate. They say charity begins at home, and LaSalle is your home. So today we invite you not just to give, but to sponsor your fellow LaSallian. Let's show them that this community truly takes care of its own. Thank you and God bless.